Well, good evening, girls and boys, and moms and dads, and welcome to PJs and Pillows. Tonight's book is called Little Elfie One. It was written by Pamela Jane and illustrated by Jane Manning. Let's begin. Way up in the north, where the reindeer run, a big mommy elf called her Little Elfie One. "Santa comes tomorrow, hooray!" cried the one, and he leaped and he laughed where the reindeer run. Way up in the north, where the ice shines blue, lived a furry father mouse and his little mousies too. "Nibble," said the father. "We nibble," said the two, and they gnawed and they nibbled where the ice shines blue. Way up in the north on a festive fir tree hung a gingerbread daddy and his little gingies three. "Run," cried the daddy. "We run," cried the three, and they hopped down and ran from the festive fir tree. Way up in the north came a knock upon the door. "Surprise, a mother caroler and her little carolers four." "Sing," cried the mother. "We sing," said the four. So they sang songs of joy by the little Elfie's door. Way up in the north, where the polar bears dive, lived an old mommy polar and her little polies five. "Swim," cried the mother. "We swim," cried the five. And they swam and they splashed where the polar bears dive. Way up in the north, near a barn built of sticks, lived a big daddy snowman and his little snowy six. "Shiver," said the daddy. "We shiver," said the six. So they shivered and they shook near the barn built of sticks. Way up in the north, in the dark starry heaven, lived a bright mother star and her little starries seven. "Wink," said the mother. "We wink," said the seven. So they winked and they blinked in the dark starry heaven. Way up in the north, it was growing very late, so old Father Santa called his little helpers eight. "Hurry," said Santa. "We hurry," said the eight, and they hurried and they scurried so they would not be late. Way up in the north, near a tall snowy pine, old Father Santa called his little reindeer nine. "Fly," cried Santa. "We fly," cried the nine, and they sailed and they soared o'er the tall snowy pine. Way up in the north, in a warm cozy den, lived a gray mommy cat and her little kittens 10. "Frolic," said the mother. "We frolic," said the 10. So they frisked and they frolicked in the warm cozy den. Way up in the north, where the reindeer run, the big mommy elf called her Little Elfie One. "There he goes," cried the mommy. "Merry Christmas," called the one. Santa winked. "I'll be back for some Merry Christmas fun." And that is the end of the story. So brush your teeth, give hugs to the people that you love, and have sweet dreams. Good night.